All right, well, we're gonna check things out here on the Kishwauke River. We had a big storm that rolled through about 45 minutes ago. Rolled through over about a half an hour, but it dropped a lot of rain. It looks like the river hasn't started rising much yet. So we're gonna try and hit this right after the storm. Sometimes that's a real turn on for the fish because a lot of bait gets washed into the water by the rain. Seems like after the water is up, you don't catch them so good, but when it first starts rising after the storm, you can really catch the fish because worms and bugs and all kinds of stuff gets washed into the water and they're feeding. So let's give it a try, see what we can do. So tonight, fishing with Z-Man, what are these called? Baby goat, that's what they're called. It's kind of a little grub-like looking thing. It's got a couple of flippers on the back of it. I've actually got it really screwed up as far as being on the hook. I've got it really crooked, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm sort of fishing by memory. You can't see these submerged rocks, but I know about where they're at. So I'm sort of fishing by memory on where the edges of these rocks are. The fish hang right around the edges. All right, let's work this spot downstream. I'll probably try to get in the water in a minute. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, feels like a decent one too. I don't know. Oh, it is a nice one. Oh, trying to keep him from jumping. He wants to jump again. Oh, no, 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 no. There he goes. He tried jumping again. Oh yeah. Wait till you guys see this. Listen to him go. He saw me. He took one look at my ugly mug and turned around. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Be still. I'll get that thing out of your face if you give me just a minute. It's pretty hard when you're waiting to get a hold on him. Here we go. He's getting tired now. He's ready. Okay, friends. What do you say? Not bad. Probably a good little 16-incher. Let's see. He is a heavy fish. Let me see. I can use my rod. Yep, 16 inches. The end of this stimula is about 17.5 inches. So he comes up an inch and a half below that. Give him 16 inches. Say goodbye. Thank you, little dude. There you go. Ah, that was fun. Whoo-wee. That was a good time. Okay. Let's try it again. See if he's got a friend hanging out down there by those rocks. Oh, there's one. There we go. Oh, he jumped and spit it. That's okay. He was under 10 or 12 inches, so we'll let him go. Let him go and let him grow. I'm gonna try hitting just to the left of that rock. Take that, you guys who think you need a bait caster. That's all I hear is that you gotta have a bait caster to be accurate. And I'm not buying it. So I'm one more casting again, because that's the way I do. All right. Oh, there's a nice one. Hey, all right. I was just about to quit because these mosquitoes are eating me alive. All right. Let him wear himself out a minute. He's wanting to get me hooked. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm trying to help you out, little buddy. I want you and me both safe from these hooks. There we go, little dude. 13 inches probably. All right, you're going back in the water 'cause I gotta go now. This is my playground. This is my wonderland. We'll play another day.